Hey guys, and what is up? I'm quiet because everyone's asleep, but I thought I would clean my room. It's kind of dirty right now, so I thought I would clean my room. It is almost 1, and I thought I would clean my room at 1 a.m. or so. So that's what we're gonna do for this video. I hope you liked it. Please like this video and please subscribe down below for more videos. So without further ado, let's get started. My room is not as messy as it could be, but it is. It's really, I have to really do, what's it called? Wash clothes. So I'm probably gonna do that tonight because that's what it is. Like my closet. It's like so messy right now. Then I have to do garbage, so we're gonna do that. So the only thing I'm not going to do is make my bed because there's no point of making my bed. I'm going to sleep like right after this. What's really needs to be done is my look at that. Cause I'm bouncing out on my friend's gift right now. Like it's like, let me. Where's my light? Okay, y'all are standing on my condo like tripod or whatever. Yeah, cause I have these little she keeps falling. Look how cute she is. So here, cause I don't remember. Oh, here's my remote. Yeah. So my Funko Pop keeps like, you know, doing its own thing. I don't know what that's about, but she needs to stop. But I gotta refill these. These are like, I have a snack cart forever, and I need to like refill all my snacks that are supposed to go in. But I need to clean up my desk because it's really bad. Like I have 8 food, and it's like so freaking bad. So yeah, and I need to put my game equipment away. I still have not got any of my, what's it called, video games that I was like Hogwarts. I haven't bought that yet. And what I'm gonna do for these half-price books is 4 foot long bags. Oh, I need that. Oh, off top. All these book bags, I'm going to probably put mine car because those ones are they never have they're kind of cute. It was only $1. One was only $1. One was well, I have finished my room, so yeah. But that's been it of my clean my room with me at 1 a.m. I hope you liked it. Please like this video and please subscribe down below for more videos. And that has been it. Bye guys. Peace. 1, 2, 3.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company.